Hello people of the world, this is Royal Kim again. I remember the last time I was on this position talking to you, and I'm happy that I'm here once again to talk to you. Personally today I just want to talk about how my journey has been so far up to this point, and I'm just grateful to God for everything. So my journey so far has been 1 year, 10 months, By next year, February, I'll be hitting 2 years in this farm and also creating content full time. So it's been a smooth and bumpy ride at the same time, but I'm just grateful for one thing, the grace of life. Because if it wasn't for life for the last 1 year and 10 months, then I wouldn't be here today talking to you. So I want to take this moment and thank God for that opportunity. Also, for this mark, getting to the 2nd December, since I started doing content creation full time, I want to thank the amazing community and family that has been cheering me since day one. Blessings to you all. I came into this space as a very young, desperate, and weak young man, and a lot of you received me well. It's an internet thing, so it's not everyone that will receive you well. Others, even up to date, don't believe in what I do, like my dreams, to be specific. And I had this one crazy dream that was so fresh and new in this community that I live in, the dream of building a cabin and building an holiday home. So I drew my map so well, and I told God, this is what I want to build. And even my architecture from Botswana, I gave him my dream, and that is what he used to also do the 3D illustration of the farm. A big shout out to Lazarus from Botswana. So I'll go directly about this here. When I started this year, I didn't know whether it will end like this. When I started the year, I remember my small chicken coop just outside the cabin. God is miraculous. God is full of wonders. Also on my channel, what I normally used to do on this channel, I normally used to vlog what is happening in the farm when we are building and everything. And then it came to a point when I had like 6,000 to 7,000 subscribers. That is when I started now telling other people's stories. By the way, I want to take this moment and thank all the people that have welcomed me in their homes to share their stories. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hospitality. I had so many places that I wanted to visit this year, but God said, no, that is not for this year, maybe next year. I remember in October, I had a lot of places that I was supposed to visit, a lot of appointments, a lot of amazing stories that I knew by the end of this year. At this point, you guys would have seen and watched all of them. But unfortunately, and also fortunately at the same time, that didn't happen because most of the appointments were cancelled. But I said, what, no problem. We still have the following here, and I'll share more stories. And then I came back in the farm and I did my new project, that is a tiny earthen house. Actually, the biggest reason for the house was me to have somewhere to move in so that I can get a chance to renovate my cabin. You guys have seen the cabin already. You have seen the renovation, how it looks like. We have managed to do at this point, change the wall fully inside, and we still have more things to do come next year, God willing. We still have a lot of things to do that I can't mention all of them here. And if God gives us the grace and gives us the time and the energy and life, then the sunrise cabin will finally achieve its look, its proposed look, how we want it to look like. And also this very next year, God willing, this is part of my plans, and I'm not ashamed even to say it here, because this is the place, this is the platform where I've been sharing what I want to do, even when we didn't have all this, and we have gotten to this point. So personally, it doesn't matter how small or how big the step or the achievement is, but I just feel so grateful, and I want to thank God for it. As we get to the end of this year, I feel like a son in the kingdom of heaven. I feel like a beloved son of God, because God's favor has been on my side this year. I started the year when things were so tough, so hard. When I moved into this farm, I didn't know how everything is gonna be. There is always this fear of moving from one spot to another, especially homes, moving. I was moving from the rental now come live fully in the farm. It was tough to make the decision. I remember the first night, it wasn't easy. I remember I had my friend Kiza Ke and Emmy's diary in the farm. And I remember that moment when they left, because that very season I used to stay with them here in the farm for a while, So I remember that very first night when they were leaving me. I was like, yo guys, are you actually going to leave me? And then I remember I was seeing them off up to the tarmac road, and then they left. Then I came back. It was so scary. It feels weird. The first time ever in my life to be in a homestead, my homestead. And remember, I'm not married, so I was alone, like alone. I mean, that first night, everyone fights. Maybe some other people get the chance to do it with their partners, but for me, I did that alone, But then again, I still have another chance to experience that with my partner, because I have not yet built my home. So when I'll build my home in my dreamland that I don't know where yet, then I'll get a chance to move in with my partner. But for my bachelorhood home, that is my holiday home, my cabin and farm, when I moved in here, it wasn't easy. The first night, the second night. But the funny thing, after 1 week, I got used, And then after months, you could not tell me to go out and rent again. Let me tell you, if today's circumstances forced me to move out of here, I think I will move to another setup like this, but not a rental spot, I mean, I'm not saying, like, yes, I swear, no. You never know, sometimes circumstances can make you go to the city or live in a town, and there is no problem with that, as long as you're adding value to your life. But for me, I've fallen in love with all this, and the next thing that I want to do in my life right now is build a big home for me, and my family, when God blesses me with one. So, yeah, God willing, that will happen. I will have a family. Okay, so I also want to take this chance and appreciate myself, thank myself for putting all that work, working so hard, tirelessly, though working hard on my side, it might not be working hard on another person's side. So I want to thank me for working so hard and for keeping the dream alive and for not giving up and for always grinding harder and harder and steering forward and not going backward. Yes, we are now ending the year and we're going to another new year. It's going to be one of the best years of my life. I'm prophesying now to this family and to my dream and to your dreams now that 2026 is going to be the best season for us to keep working on our dreams, So in the process of growing as a content creator, I've also been inspired to spread wings, as far as content creation is concerned, So when I started doing stories, I could not do vlogs anymore because I used to be out there looking for people's stories, and when I come back to the farm, I want time to edit that story. So now, when I came back late October this year, I started a new channel called Royal Kim Vlogs, and that is where I have been doing all my vlogs as I've been building the new house in the farm. That is our earthen house, and that is where you can get all my vlogs. I've been getting comments from my long-term members of the community here asking, Kim, what happened? You don't vlog, you don't, it's because they don't know whether I still vlog. So I'm here to let you know of Royal Kim Vlogs. It's just an extension of Royal Kim channel, a space whereby I can vlog raw and uncut. Actually, the entire build-up of the earthen house is in that channel. And a lot of times when I have friends in the farm, in that channel, even a bit of the cabin renovation is in that channel. But generally here, I majorly love talking about the off-grid living experience, and mostly, above everything, sharing other people's experience. This year we have done it. We have done our best, and next year is gonna be more better. You never know, maybe next year we can even go outside the country and tell other people's stories. So I chose to dedicate this channel to you guys. This channel is no longer about me, it's no longer about my life, maybe the cabin and my experience building my farm, summaries once in a while, but I dedicated this channel to you. This is the first channel in my life that I ever had, and I gave it to you. I want other people to share their experience as well. You know, a story that can inspire someone, a story that can inspire a youth out there, a story that can inspire a family person, you know, someone working to build their family. Please reach out to me via my email, royalkimbooking@gmail.com, and also you can also contact me on WhatsApp. I have a number on the channel description. Yeah, so I was saying that is what I've managed to do at this point, and I feel like next year is gonna be much better. You know, we have more build-ups to do. You know, I'm just so happy that I've been able to do this so far, because let me tell you guys, if there is one thing that I have learned, you know, it's that dreams are personal. Most of the times when you're planning to do something, you might share with people and they might actually discourage you, you know. Yeah, so you need to keep trusting yourself. Some dreams, keep them personal until they happen, and then when they happen, now you can share with people, you know. Yeah, I mean, but about the farm build up and everything that happens here, it's something that is public, everyone knows. That is why I keep reminding people and also updating people. And I even have other dreams that are not public yet, but when they become when they are ready to share, then I'll also share with you all. You know, because life is bigger than internet, life is bigger than this camera. Yeah, so as we have been building the farm, remember, this is not a home like a homestead, like a bungalow, a mansion. This is a more of nature experience home, whereby it's not just for me alone. You know, after we are done with all the build-ups, even you that are watching me, you'll be able to come and experience this. So I'm trying to see what I can to share even the different experiences in this farm, even the cooking experience, the outdoor cooking experience. So as we go on with this journey, I'm gonna be bringing in new products, new ways of telling stories, even new channels. And let me tell you, today I'm standing here alone. Tomorrow it won't be me alone. It will be Royal Kim and another team behind me, you know. And that is my dream. I mean, my biggest dream is to change and also be a part of, or a member of the trendsetters that bring in, you know, new ways and best ways of telling stories within our African culture, you know. So at this point, I want to take this moment and say thank you so much for the people that have been watching this channel and that have been following my journey on since I started. So I also want to take this moment and wish you a blessed Christmas, because we are headed there now, and also wish you a happy new year. And come 2026, we're going to start with new stories, different stories, and even more stories. And I hope the stories that will be coming up next year in this channel will also inspire you and also inspire me. So I want to say thank you so much for following up the journey. Follow next year on this channel and also Royal Kim Vlogs for more updates on the farm build-up, mostly on Royal Kim Vlogs. So if you haven't, I'm going to collaborate with 3 channels down here. You know, those channels have different experiences in this farm. So you can go and check them out. You can also support them. You can subscribe if you can, and we will appreciate so much. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.